Hey guys, right, so here we are. I'm going to give the screen a clean. There's a lot of dead bugs on here. First, get the majority of it off. Headlamp as well, I think. Now that'll do for that part of it. Now that is not finished yet. I now go and get my cloth and my cleaner. Then I clean it properly. So you can see I actually do normally carry things that I can clean the windscreen with. Just get rid of the sheen. That will do it. And now, as the sun goes, we're ready to ride. Yeah, that looks a bit better. So, as I said, so now, yep, I've put the stand up, so let's go. Oh, I went through the car park. Oh well. You gotta admire these truck drivers. They have to navigate these huge leviathan of a vehicle through some very tiny places sometimes. And then Augsburg, here we come. I wonder if I can get there before the rain. Probably not. Remember, if you can't see his mirrors, he can't see you. I cannot see his mirrors. Oh well. finally. So it's an ominous dark day today, and there's rain over there already. You can see it coming out through the clouds. Oh well. And here we glide. Glidey, glidey, glide. Very dark skies. And of course, I haven't remembered to bring waterproofs with me. I've left the waterproofs in the apartment. Damn, boy. Where's your head, guy? Now, the windscreen's a lot cleaner. It's not perfect at the moment. I haven't had time to sort of sit and buff it up properly, but it gives you a much better and a much cleaner vision. So I've got rid of all the dead bugs. Remove the brains. I think that goes for me sometimes as well. Removed brain. Now we've got about a 40-mile run, so maybe a little bit more. It's about 65 kilometers, I think, which is about 43, 44. Don't try calculating when you're getting over COVID, because the brain is still a bit foggy. It was woolly before, but it's definitely foggy now. I hate being in traffic. Let's pick a few of these cars off. I'm at least making a pretense of being in my own lane. He's turning off, that's good. That just leaves one in front. And then I pick him off because we've got our twin lanes coming up, and he'll pull over to the right. Anytime now, please. You can go, thanking you. Very close then. I wouldn't advocate doing that, guys. Ride safer. I'm just in a hurry because I want to get there before absolutely pisses down. Rains heavily. Sorry. At least inside the jacket I am toasty and warm. I got so many layers on, I feel like an onion. Now what I've done is I've got an external battery pack shoved in my jacket as well, so that's quite a big piece of my guts at the minute. No, I haven't eaten it, it's in one of the pockets, and that's powering the GoPro, so it gives me a little bit longer than the 45 minutes that it normally does. It gives me the full 4 hours because it'll charge the GoPro about 6 times. What we've got to do now is get this thing to move quicker and get out my way. Now I'm not going to get in front of it before there because there's just wasn't enough length of the road. I told you my brain was a bit woolly today. 1 ton of melons. Yeah, there's only 1 ton of melons. As you can feel the buffeting from the Arctic in front, from the 16-wheeler. No, that's only an 8 or a 10-wheeler, so that's not too bad. But even so, the amount of buffeting that gives you, as a friend of mine would say, that's really fudged up, dude. All you can do is try and break up the airflow a little so you don't have to endure quite so much buffeting. And here comes the rain. Doody doody. Here comes the rain, and I say, oh shit, I'm gonna get soaked today. I think what I'm gonna do is try and find a different way and head towards the sun, because I seem to be riding into the rain. Not a sensible thing to do.